Hello guys, we are going to see one important um, problem in this video. So find the occurrences of an element in an array. So let's have an array like 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. So output should be like how many zeros are occur in an array, in that array, and how many 1 occurs in that array and how many twos. So output should be like one is 0. How many times? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 0 is comes. So the 1 occurs two times and the 2 occurs only one time. So output should be like. So for that, I'm taking this array, exactly this array. Um, let's discuss what are the ways to uh, resolve this problem. So there are a couple of ways, and one way we can form a map, and by iterating this array, we can form a map, and with the key as an element and value the occurrences of the element in an array. We can have like that, and another way is iterating this array within that for loop we may have we may check the condition. If it is zero, then we may have the counter variable to increment, and if it is one, we can have another counter variable to increment, and if it is two, we can have another counter variable to find out the occurrence of the two. So let me think a little different. So let's have an array, totally different array. uh, yeah, let me declare an array to do that. I'm naming it as counts. So in that count, I'm having the size of this array. Let me check the size. So since I want only three element occurrences, so I'm giving it as a three. So let's think about it. And again, I'm iterating this array. Now I'll be getting the output integer output. So I'm declaring one integer variable within that for loop. I'm iterating this array. So let's think about how it should be. If it is count is zero, then if the count is zero, then it should be count of zero plus one. So like this it should be. So if the counter variable is zeroth element, I'm just getting the zeroth element and an increment by one. So if it is one and two, if it is one and increment it by one and two and increment the second array of an element, I'm adding one. I am increment by one. So let's iterate this loop. So here I'm having zero. So value now the value is zero. So zero will be zero. I am incrementing the zeroth element, and what is the count of zero? Now initially it's zero. So zero plus one, zero. So again iterating that, and now I'm getting value as one. So the second element is one. So now the value is one, and count of one. The count of one previously zero. So zero plus one, zero. So count of one is now one. So again it's zero. So now the value third element, since the third element is zero, now the value is zero. So here it comes count of zero. Already it's one. So one plus one, two. So again, a fourth value is zero. So now the value is zero. So count of zero is now already 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So that's how it should work. So let me, instead of static value, let's make it dynamic, so and give it as value and value here. Let me print this out. So I'm going to print the zeroth place element here, and how zeroth place element is obviously zero, counts of zero. So the first element count of 1, the second element is count of 1 actually, the third element is obviously count of 2. I'm printing here. So let me execute this one. Array index out of bound exception. 0 and obviously 1. Yep, here we made a mistake. So here it's 2. We, since the size is 3, we are giving 3 here. So it will for the fourth element of an array of counts. So it's obviously exceed the limit. So we will be getting the array index order bound exception. So let me rerun it again. Yeah, we are getting, yeah, we got the exact output. So zeros occurrences four times, one is occurs two times, two is occurs only one time. Let's change the input. I am giving one more two. I am adding one more two. So now the output should be like 0 occurs 4 times, one is occur 2 times, and two occur 2 times. So let me, yeah, this is how we can resolve this problem. And let's optimize this code. So instead of having a constant of value equal to constant of counts of value equal to counts of value plus 1, we can simplify this one. So instead of having that, we simply use the increment operator here. So let me rerun it again. Yeah, we got the same output. Yeah, I hope we if you guys have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you.